Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get an Audi RS6 Collector's Edition. First, recognize that this is a highly exclusive vehicle, often produced in very limited numbers, sometimes only 125 units globally. Begin by researching authorized Audi dealerships known for handling high-performance and special edition models. It is crucial to have your financial arrangements in order, as these vehicles command a premium price, often exceeding $150,000, before any customization. Next, actively contact several dealerships to inquire about any available allocations or future production slots for the collector's edition. Due to high demand, you will likely need to place a substantial, non-refundable deposit, often 10 to 20% of the total price, to secure your order. Exploring enthusiast forums and specialized luxury car marketplaces can also reveal private sale opportunities, though these may come with a higher premium. Once your order is confirmed, you can explore the exclusive customization options, such as unique paint colors or special interior trims, often limited to the collector's edition. Carefully review and confirm all specifications and optional packages with your dealer to ensure everything is perfect. Finally, arrange for specialized, enclosed transport to protect your investment, or plan a meticulous dealership pickup to bring your new Audi home safely. Owning an Audi RS6 Collector's Edition requires diligent care to preserve its value and performance. Strictly adhere to Audi's recommended service schedule, typically every 10,000 miles or 12 months, using only genuine parts. Secure specialized insurance coverage tailored for high-value, limited production vehicles, as standard policies may not suffice. Always maintain comprehensive records of all services, modifications, and any unique vehicle details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.